We got a little cruise going on though. We got a little staying up there. We got the Subi in the back. But yeah, we're cruising to the crib. I'm not trying to go that fast. God damn, going 100? Sheesh. But yeah, we're going a little cruise, man. We're gonna try to get some shots of everybody's cars. It just be relaxing for reals. I ain't gonna lie, man. Bro, the camera's dead, bro. Boy, I gotta charge it now, man. Hey, man, GoPro died earlier on the cruise. Gonna show you how the whips. Sheesh, got an Evo. Oh, might be clean. Clean as fuck. Got the MR2. Don't bend it on. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Got the 5.0. It's a lot done to the 5.0. BMW, sheesh. Damn. Get the Subi. Dang, the Subi looking clean. Subaru looks clean for reals. We got an SI over there. Sheesh. Sheesh. We got the Z. Yeah, I already see the Z enough, so. Bitch looking dirty. And the dent in the door. Ew, somebody shit on my car.
Bro, look at this big ass bug that hit my windshield on the Bond.
Where? Oh.
Right there. Just cleaned it.
Yeah, I saw one right here, but it's not bad.
One of us.
And carbon wheel. Gee. I'm not too looking clean. Sheesh. Got the fucking dad.
Morning, neighbor. Like, what up, Kyle? How's that?
All right, my boys. We dipping. We with the homies. Got the Subi. Got some more whips. Sheesh. Jeez. Show you guys the absolute beautiful view. Oh my God. Bro. Come on, man. Sheesh, man. With all the whips. Sheesh. Looking absolutely beautiful. Especially the GoPro honestly looks beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. Got a little pond. Holy, man. No, I just want to get some shots. Huh? I just wanted to get some shots. Oh, yeah, just drive. Yeah. Drive? Yeah. Go. Jeez, man. Oh, we just stalled out. Shit, did you hear that? We're going to speed on it, bro. My boys, listen, bro. I was just chilling, right? Look at this thing. What? Hold on, we gotta get a video. Hold on, we gotta get a fucking video, bro. What the fuck? Look at the speaker on that thing, bro. This thing's slick. What the fuck? Hey, man. What the fuck is this? Man, I got a thing for older cars, I'm not gonna lie, man. This thing is clean. Dude. What? I like the fan, bro. The classic, dude. Oh my God. Just had to show y'all this, bro. Sheesh. Man. Clean. Clean right next to the Z type shit. Oh my God. The Z's dirty though, we just cleaned it. Bro. Holy shit, man. Dirty but clean, you know. Some chrome polish on the wheels. Know what I mean? You can see yourself. You feel me? But this thing's clean though. Man, we gotta get some shots. And with the Nexons, sheesh. That thing's clean. I gotta show some people, man. But yeah, my boys, we didn't really do too much. Let me roll up the window so it's not too loud. We didn't really do too much today. Just cruise around with the homies. The GoPro was dead on the cruise there, and I don't know. We're gonna try to get some more cruises together. We had some runs in, like we were running, not racing or anything. We got some runs in. It was pretty fun. Can't really upload the runs because I mean you can't really race and